Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So up front, excuse the way that I look. It's early in the morning. Just put the baby down after he's been up early for his morning feeding. This is a unboxing video of a new product that I found online to try to achieve my healthy hair again. So background on me, I had really long hair down to my butt. Then I decided to do a big chop for no reason, cut it off. My hair grew back, cut it off again. So my hair is back long or medium length, and I wanted to dye it ombre. It was very cute. Then I wanted to dye it back black. So as a result, my hair is damaged and I don't have the guts to cut my hair off again. So this is a step that I'm going to take to try to achieve my virgin hair. And this is a product that I'm not sponsored by. I just found it online, and it's called Coco and Eve. And this is going to be an unboxing and review of this product. So the inside, it says we're coconuts about hair. Got me excited. It comes like this. The mask is underneath it. So the instructions that come inside, it has a fold out method. So there's a little bit of background about them, and then there's some instructions right here. So I'll let you read whatever's on the inside yourself, but I'm more excited about the instructions. So it has 4 steps. Shampoo your hair as usual with sulfate-free, non-foaming shampoo, and use the mask in place of your regular conditioner. So leave for 10 minutes, then rinse. For an extra intense treatment, apply your mask to dry hair and leave overnight. Rinse out in the morning and wake up to the best locks of your life. Okay, so that sounds really promising. So because it's early in the morning, I'm just going to leave it in my hair for a few hours and put one of those disposable plastic shower caps over my hair and see how it does. Number 3, for evenly coated tresses, use the Tangle Tamer brush. So that's this. Very soft. It comes with a bunch of bristles. So after I apply the product to my hair, I'm gonna brush it out with this. That's what it's saying. And it says glide through tangles in the process. So yeah. So step number 4 is use regular to keep your locks healthy and glossy in a pure virgin state. Okay. And for dry hair, use 2 to 3 times a week. So that's me. I got really dry hair. For normal hair, I don't know what normal hair means, but it says use 1 to 2 times a week. And for oily hair, use just once a week, focusing on the ends of your hair. Okay, so whatever normal hair means, hopefully that helps you. It comes in a little jar with the instructions on the back, and they got the name in the front. It's sealed with the little plastic tape. It has a plastic barrier to stop it from wasting. And it smells so good. I wouldn't mind using this 2 to 3 times a week. I don't know if I'm gonna be leaving it in my hair overnight each time, maybe, to help with the deep conditioning of my hair. Okay, so if y'all really wanna see how my hair looks, so y'all can see it before and after, then here's what it looks like. So it's not short, but it's really smells good because I have my shea butter in it, but it's still really rough in my opinion. It's really damaged. You can see how damaged it is. This is what my regular hair looks like. Dirty, dry. So I never really wear my regular hair because I'm not happy with the texture. But if this product can help my hair feel like a virgin again, Lord help me, I might not ever wear another weave again. That's a lie, but you'll see my hair more often. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I just got out the shower and my hair is washed with my sulfate-free shampoo. I haven't even detangled it, so got my paddle brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle it while it's still wet, so it can be easier to use that little video brush that they gave me. Okay, so now that my hair is detangled, I'm gonna show you the products that I'm gonna use to wrap up my hair. So, disposable shower cap, elastic, and I bought this from the hair store not too long ago. It's a mesh wrap, so this is to keep my hair down and possibly help my hair like get a little bit of heat on it. So when I'm like just walking around, it could just be secure. All right. I got my two products, so I'm gonna take my ring off. It's time to apply this. Oh, the thing came out on the top. I'm gonna leave it there just in case I like drop it or something. It'll be as a little barrier. Okay, so I'm gonna turn to the side. I feel like any other like leave-in conditioner would feel kind of like lotion. I'm gonna just apply it in my hair, like my hands like lotion. Like I said before, I'm gonna apply liberally, so my hair is really dry, as you can see. So I'm gonna really like focus on the ends. I hope this works because I'm desperate. I'll try a different hair mask if it doesn't, but this is gonna be trial and error, right? Okay, so now that my hair is saturated with the Coco and Eve product, I'm gonna start with detangling it so it can be even. Okay. It's hollow on the inside of this brush thing. You can hear the air. So I'll just take in sections so my hair can be fully detangled. Okay, so got some hair that it collected. So you'll have hair in the brush. It still have some product on the brush. So now that my hair is as detangled as it's gonna be, I'm gonna just take my elastic. If I need it, I'm gonna try to just twirl it. Help push the product around some more. Okay. Hopefully I don't need this elastic. We'll see how this wrap does. Here's my wrap. Got a little Velcro on it. So I'm gonna just bend down. I don't need the elastic, feel like it's secure under there. So I'm gonna leave this in. I'm gonna try to go as close to, let's say, 5 hours as possible, because I typically only get about a few hours a night anyway, because I got the baby. But if you can leave it in longer, then leave it in longer. But I'm gonna leave this in for hopefully up to 5 hours. If I can go longer, then obviously I will. So we'll be back when I rinse it out, and I'm gonna brush my hair out, and I'm gonna let it air dry. The purpose is to try to get your hair back. So avoid heat, no blow dryer, no flat iron. Just try to, I'm gonna let you see what it look like right after it comes up out this product, so you can see how it does. So I just rinsed out the hair mask. So I'm just gonna brush it out, and then I'm gonna brush it out with the brush that came with it. Okay, so I got the Coco and Eve brush, and I'm gonna just try to detangle my hair some more. Okay, so I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and I'll let you know what I think. Alright, y'all, so it's been a little bit of time. I let my hair air dry. I have no product in it since I washed it and rinsed it out, the Coco and Eve, and it still smells like the product. My hair does feel a little bit softer after the first wash. So my best bet is if I continue to use this product 3 times a week like it says, and leave it in overnight each time, I feel like my hair would get better. But for the first time, and I left it in for 4 hours, it doesn't feel bad. I'm still not comfortable with it right now. It's still a little dry, but it's definitely better than it was. So as of now, I give this product a thumbs sideways. And after my full week of using this, I will have a more accurate opinion, but right now it's not bad. So if you follow me on social media at DizzyFree, at DIZZYFREE _, if you go ahead and follow me on Instagram at DizzyFree _, you will have a more real-time update of my hair. Other than that, this product is so far. So that's my opinion, that's my rating of the Coco and Eve product. Hopefully this will give you more of an insight whether you should buy this product or not. But first try, first time using it, 4 hours of it being in my hair, not bad. But it's nothing that I don't think any regular product that you buy off the shelves wouldn't do. So I feel like you can definitely find a product that will do the same thing. So I'll see how I feel after 2 more times of using it, whether I will continue to use it. I'm gonna use all of it, but whether I'll buy it again or not. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and hit that bell so you won't miss a notification on when I post videos. Alright, I'll see you next time. Meet me astray.